Wait, why do I always check the fridge like it's going to be different? Oh, maybe the leftovers multiplied. No, Karen, they didn't. The fridge isn't a miracle worker. Oh, and why does it always feel like the fridge is judging me? You ate the last yogurt, didn't you? Yeah, I did. And honestly, I'd do it again. Don't at me. Wait, is the fridge sending me texts now? Fridge, you've been warned. Oh, so now the appliance is a gangster. Next thing you know, the toaster's going to start asking for protection money. I'm living in a kitchen drama.